Until Christ be formed in us, the first session of the Fourth Synod of Ijebu Southwest Anglican Diocese, with the same, until Christ be formed in us. From Galatians chapter 4 verses 18 to 19, which holds between Thursday 27th and Sunday 30th of August 2020 at the Cathedral Church of St. Paul, Odo-Ogbolu, the Diocesan Bishop, the Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde Hefa Rogunbanwo, will expose the Synod on the same in his church on Friday 28th of August 2020. This year, Synod will bring salvation, total deliverance, blessings, breakthrough, and lots more through lectures, sermons, symposium, Bible study, prayers during the Synod. This year's Synod of Ijebu Southwest Diocese is a must for everyone. Our Father, the Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde Hefa Rogunbanwo, Bishop of the Diocese, is a convener, while Group Captain, Barrister and Chief Mrs. Bola Hohe Shotumbo is the host. Announcer, the Diocesan Media Unit. Jesus is Lord.